checkpoint 12.3.2, this is the last one. So if you look at here, object seems okay. So if you look at the next line, we are doing object casting. Here's the one problem. The object class is a superclass of string class. So you won't be able to do the type casting. In this case, of course, we are doing object casting. These two string object type and T. So exception will happen. So we call it as a class cast exception. So it seems okay at this point. So if you run it on the runtime exception, will happens. Okay, here is the one. Okay, class cast exceptions. If you look at the explanation, object cannot be cast to class string. Okay. So yes, it's going to give you class cast exceptions here. So if you wanted to try catch or exception handling, you want to do type casting, then catch class cast exceptions. Then if the exception happens, you want to print. Okay. So this way, if exception happens, it will print a message, and then it will continue, so that you can handle the exception gracefully. Okay, the message appear, and then it still runs. Okay, so that you can handle this particular exceptions. I think that's all. Thank you.